basic opening the way it was intended, right? You got your chicken or whatever in this hand. You got your knife. You do what you need to do. Put it back away without stabbing yourself. So, basic little opening. Just a little spinny dude. You got your fancy opening, like that. Inverted fancy opener, like that. And then you got to be able to do it with both hands, right? So, fancy opener. Oh wait, I didn't do the basic. There's your just little basic flippy-do opener. And then inverted. And that's about as much as I know.